Katanggap-tanggap yan kung ano. Itutulak. Oh, nakaklits yan oh. Nakaklits yan. Lakas.
Hirap masemplang.
Mahirap pag talaga pag nakaklits.
Mas graben.
Ano na? Yun. Kaya mo yan. Sige. Push mo yan. Sir Dennis. Oh, mas. Basic ka, basic.
Ayos.
Tatlo na lang. Oh, dulas na, dulas sir. Dalawa na lang. Tingnan natin to. Kumakayaan nila. Kaya mo yan sir. Sige, push mo yan.
Article sir.
Yun. Sabi natin. So bro.
Gaya, isa na. Alam mo na ba yung nalaman nyo ha? Isa pa rin nagkaroon na yun, baka matigil eh.
Kamusta ka pa, Chuck Pride? Ngayong araw ay kasama natin ulit ang Bison or Boyokbong Solano Bikers Club. At sa padjakang ito ay gagawin natin ang Paitan Loop. Promise ko sa inyo, sa rotang ito marami tayong magagandang tanawin na makikita. Kaya samahan niyo kami! Let's go!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Eksakto alas 6 ng umaga, tumatawid kami dito sa Bato Bridge. Ito ang boundary ng Bambang at Solano.
Go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display.
Nice to see you again.
You rested?
A bit. I worked.
I did. Vacation, baby. Living the dream.
Enjoying life.
Good weather today.
Yeah.
Not as hot as I thought it was going to be.
Just wait for a few more hours.
Yeah, right.
retrato na nangyayari ah. Hindi naging chill rad ah. Para nag-uunahan sa ahonan.
Kaya nga lang.
Ayos ah. First stop, viewpoint. May mga nag-i-enter na dito, may mga
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the new sand in my mind.
tunog. Sobrang napakamayaman naman yan sir. Sound check, sound check, sound check. 12 poles yata yan sir.
I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
6:22 ng umaga. Papasok na kami dito sa baryo ng Pakitaan.
Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, I know, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright.
Lapit nang i-harvest na mga palay dito ah.
You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Eto na, magsisimula na yung mga ahonan. Mahaba daw ang ahonan nito. Yun, rock music. Ahon, mahabang ahon pala ito mga kapadyak. May hahaba pa po dito mamaya.
Pagbaba na ito.
Grabe. Kalabaw lang ang tumatanda. Let's go mga sir. The strong veterans. Gawa mo Raquel.
Wala mo kanya, maudiak man na eh.
Kaya gaga ngayon na ha. Ginure ito yung
Ba't naudi pa yung dapat naudi? Mabitina mo ng orayo.
Ito yung bagong kalsada dito sa Labu. Maluwag na kalsada, naahonan. Bihira yung dumadaan dito kaya magandang rotahan dito. Basic ka madam? Kaya na dyan, rough road. Ano sabi? Tapos na yung magandang daanan, highway. Ngayon naman rough road. Ewan ko kung paano natin aahunin to. Kumusta naman ang naka-road bike? Tumba na. Oo. Mahirap eh. Mahirap kontrolin. Ay, matutumba ka talaga dito. Sige. Kaya pa. Tumili ko na ako. Oops. Dito tayo maghihintay. Kakayanan ko naman. Sa awa ng Diyos. Meron pa rin nagbibisikleta pero karamihan hinihila ay tinutulak yung bike kasi rough road. Mahirap i-control. Mga ahon ng rough road. Okay, push, push. Ayan. Oops. Test of ano talaga to, balance. Medyo malambot yung lupa. Medyo may alikabok na rin.
Ang nilakot ko nun eh.
May pababa. Whoop. Ba, mataas din talaga to. The rough road, come on. Yon. Kahit ano mangyari, dapat makaya mo to.
Ay naku, hindi ko kaya dyan sa ano. Ingat po.
Saan ka may sa ahonan? Rough road pa. Iba ito, ibang challenge ito.
Sir Bolix, one hand. Kapakyat man o lusong.
Ayaw talaga yan.
Lodi.
Oh, wag mo ako sundan, ano? Ano? Ay, yun na nga, hinto na.
Hinto na.
Ay, sa kabila.
Kaya, sige, yung mga kakayanin.
Sa kabila, mas mahandaan.
Yun. Lakas. Nakayanan natin. Enjoy itong ganito ah. Ito na, tapos na. Tapos na ang paghirap. Sementado ulit. (7:20) na ng umaga mga Padjak Pride. Alabas na kami ng Madyangat, Quezon. At dito ko na rin tatapusin ang ating Paitan Loop. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyong panonood at sa inyong suporta. Pag hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, paki-hit naman ng like, subscribe button para laging updated kapag may video na newly uploaded. Thank you! Pedal forever tayo.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mine.